Hey guys, Dylan Burnside at Bill Cole Kia here to talk to you about the 2020 Kia Soul GT line. This is a turbo, so you get a 1.6 liter turbo, 7-speed transmission, all LED lights on the front, the rear, and your sides, keyless entry with the button on the handle, and you kind of notice what makes it a GT line on the inside. Push button start that brings up navigation, other features like satellite radio that's paired to a Harman Kardon sound system, 10.25 inches on the screen with dual zone climate control, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and a heads-up display that rises and gives you information like directions for navigation and speed limits. Other things are going to be the red trim that you notice, leather wrapped steering wheel, shift knob. You get out and you go into the back, you've got room for all of your storage needs with the red accent continuing. Notice the alloy wheels. GT line trim level badges. It's the only one with a center dual exhaust. Open it up next to your backup camera underneath, right here. And you've got multi-level storage. And if you need it, the seats fold down to give you even more room. And this model's still here today at Bill Cole, so come see us on it.